Toptech Systems is known worldwide as the manufacturer of the Multiload II Plus family of batch controllers. A batch controller, also known as a preset, is an electronic device that precisely manages the flow of liquids, such as fuels during loading, offloading, or transfer operations at terminals. It controls pumps, valves, and meters to ensure accurate measurement and dosing of each batch. In short, it automates and verifies that the right product, in the right quantity, goes to the right destination. To simplify installation, upgrades, and maintenance, Toptech designed the Multiload II Plus to use flow control modules instead of internal I/O boards. Each multiload provides enough internal FCM capacity to support nearly any single or double-arm configuration. When expansion is needed, additional FCM units can be added to an external enclosure, allowing terminals to upgrade without purchasing additional presets.